chini inaugurator chini EM Sri Chitaranjan Sir manjak fainai special guest chini manganang Ajay Kumar tai o jaga manjak fainai chini nangkungmani guest manganang George N. Debroma Principal Officer Education TTAADC tai khoroksa belai nangkungmani borok cultural activist tai language activist tai zatino through language tai literature writing ni through tai je fight khainai tini usujratai borok do phano sinirinai chini oroni guest chini sir Nanda Kumar Debroma bono bohaino belai kai hambai tini oze 13th Foundation Tripura Tribal Folk Music College je norok celebrate khaitano जों फाइ मानजक फाइमानि बागै अमनि उलो बा लगे लगेनो लगेओ आं कक थाइसे थाइनै सानामु चुङो तामले हमाले नायदि सिनि जे एजुकेशन सिस्टम जों conventional form of education परेतों which may be baksa angkaba Western education system, baksa kaba traditional form of education system, baksa angka Montessori education system, but in the late 90s, in the late 80s, Sara Prithibiwo kaisa reclaiming of indigenous language, culture, identity nei movement jengka Sara world. Because tamni bagai जों अ जागायाव particularly जों just music teisinai जों what is music bo kaisa it's nothing but a form of a sound ni kaisa tongo tune rhythm movement emotion feelings scientifically vibration but how does this sound or the particular sound but the music bahikasina identity but Tripurani tribal ni identity no bo reclaim clay it's a big question because the Tripura the sound mamani the traditionally chung the ageni sini kusung ni simi the sini laipuk mabai kadalja sini kerangkok thmang theng Sini resa mugung theng omorok dependent ya all are independent to each other bahike nungche thuang ni kerangkok tuma khnatano phano ajagawo nini folk music sara ngya didabai ano kainani hono lokche thuang lo so uje kaisa didabai ano kainani hono lokche thuang lo amo just music simia bo kaisa laibuma sao it speaks about history culture nini identity nini music ni je entire ethnography tai entire cultural scape nini borok do fani ajaga sil chethuang je hunjak mani amo bohaino traditionally chung amno sudu bufang simi kai nugya we see chethuang as a form of god and nai di sini je o je folk music fanangthang folk culture in any form almost in laibuma by beda belai ke gedaljak ba kubuljak hairi bagino it's a great initiative 13 bosor sekangno je chini intellectual je borok dofani je Tripura hasteni je wansongnai grungro borok saimangkha along with alka desni je borogro wan soma haikaino borogomno wan sogoi je kaisa college klubna hamani omo belai nangkukmani lama borok haika haini bagino tini usuk jratui tini bo borok muni shoni age gangka bo tini kaisa teenage ngi tongkha kang ni bagai belai kaham khaika hengkai tasing angsai tu thangka how does kaisa discipline simi om hai khainani taponi jugungkha interdisciplinary ni somoy oje interdisciplinary gangkai kaisa department by tai kaisa department collaborate khainani o jagao om hayono tabo music plus mass communication hai department thansa khai coordinate khai thangnani belai nangkogo tamani himale norok resapmani engtheng mosamani engtheng amono videography khainani ba film shooting khainani gangkai you cannot do in the absence of media karon nini recording khainani engkane nang studio ni dorkar studio nang kangkane nini mass communication ni importance payo hangka students of mass communication je somoyo poro buino interview nao resap mungti sao nini cultural artifact no poro je somoyo document khayo noro hai borok no borok bu nangjago haisi hangka ang omono sanai o jagao sini honorable chairman TTADC ni Jagadish sir bobu tongo o je music college ni students rok borok 6-7 mas rok bungkha orni je pass out students rok sono university unugoi boroni kaisa chikon proposal tong phiaba a chikon proposal if not taken care if ignored amo solutioning yang kai days after days salno salsa bo saptangi thangnai sapta mas lai thangnai mas bosor lai thangnai bosor 5 bosor ngai 10 bosor ngi thangnai ega amo solve ungla khaisi it's time o jagao ultimately music college to boarding phaika porikha pass bungkha but any education any certificate amoni bisingo chung amno tuinai chung livelihood chakri job tai profession practice khaima yang hangkai amu bohaino belai one soktai so it is the role of the government it is the role of the intellectual om hairono one soginai tajingo sini ojoisar bobu sai thangka je why we restrict only till degree level why not folk music be introduced in the higher education in master's degree level why not in the field of research tamni bagai chung khumulong no simi omno restrict khai tongnai why not we introduce such kind of subject in all the colleges of the state in all the universities of the state hai gangaisi karon every education is to do with ni sociology hindi sociology buto borok muni soni social structure borok muni soni kailaimung chalaimung amno tuino study khayo so why not the folk culture folk music folk tradition omo bohaino sini je folk literature folk music omno tuinai chung sini borok dofani no kaisa not only in the state level but in the whole of international arena sing silayoi academics so introduce khailayoi omno in the days to come taibo higher level langnani not through one department but university bohaino say if one department ojoisa I want to request you at least you can introduce one paper in per semester JMC can introduce say for example folk dance one paper in one semester which means 4 plus 4 becomes 8 so oma hairok asok laimani bisingtei dialogue khailaimani bisingtei intellectual exercise khaika hangkai everything is possible under the sun o salni tola hani sakabo जों policies नाम kahangkai maya hnei mungsa grei haisi belai belai ke hambai thank you very much and joto students rogno on this 13 foundation dewo noroni future buskang belai sen sasa enteng henei kaitoni thani khulumung riwui noni bagai asibat sanai ang aniko orono mathagai rika hambai
অসংখ্য ধন্যবাদ।